Here we have a picture of my hair before I donated it. Super long, easy 11 inches to donate. And I'm rocking my granny's red skirt. Super cute.
So where do I donate? The answer is simple, really. Wherever you want to donate. There's Locks of Love, Wigs for Kids, and Children with Hair Loss. If you really care about kids, donate to kids. Pantene for Length is another great organization that focuses on strictly helping adults with hair loss due to cancer. This past year was the first time I had ever donated hair, so I wasn't very picky about what organization. I went to Aveda, a vegan-friendly salon, to get my hair cut. And Aveda's #1 selection for the year anyways was children with hair loss. So I wanted to make sure I donated to children before I got any grays. No, in all seriousness, I was just lazy and that was the easy option. Moving forward, I plan to donate to Pantene for Length, and not just because I gained my first gray recently, but because I truly am connected to Pantene for Length's message because my stepmother had breast cancer.
If you live in Eugene, I highly suggest going to Gervais. They are an Aveda salon located on Willamette or at the 5th Street Market. This location is owned by women and run by women. I love it. If you're at 5th Street, I highly suggest seeing Miss Cedar, and if you're at Willamette, I totally love Megan. Try to get squeezed into one of their schedules.
This is my new hair after going to a Aveda salon. They do not test on animals. And voila, I donated my hair also to a good cause.